Oh, so you're trying to manage a plan on your Wix website? We're going to show you the settings of how to do that right here, right now. Let's go. All right, so on your Wix website, there are settings that you have to go to their settings. Again, we're setting up the foundation for your Wix website, so we're going to show you exactly how to set those settings for this actual managing your plans. So once you hit settings over here on the left side, you're going to go to manage plan. What is plan? Your plan is the type of website service that you have through Wix, right? So you can upgrade your site. You can upgrade your site if you don't currently have a plan. Wix has a good amount of plans, but you could simply go to the settings to, if you already have a plan, you're like, man, I need to upgrade this, I want to add more new features and things like that, and you have the ability to purchase your plan. And you can read more about which plans they offer, which things you can get, like right here, right? All of the different things that you can get in your plan. And you can choose a plan, whatever plan works best for you. Chris, which one do you recommend? I would recommend the one they recommend. Go with the $34 a month plan, right? You can get a discount if you pay it for the whole year, right? But go with that one. You have more than enough features, more features. And if you need more features, you can go to Elite. And if you need more features, you can go Enterprise. But by the time you get to that point, you'll have your automation, your team is rolling. You're already making millions of dollars. You know, you're good to go. So you're not really worried about $159 or whatever, however many dollars. But if you are just getting started, again, $34, if you can squeeze $34, I highly urge that you go ahead and squeeze in that $34. Now, if you only have $19, you only can afford basically a membership of your Netflix to build your legacy, to build your business. I'm going to emphasize that again. The same amount it costs you to have a subscription to Netflix is the same amount that it would take to have a foundation to build legacy, to build a business that'll bring you money. Hopefully that didn't go over your head. So I'm gonna just leave it there, but hopefully that didn't go over your head. So with that being said, you can select whichever one you want, plus if you want to select plus, and boom, and you just have to purchase it, right? Connect your domain and all the different stuff. So essentially it's just that simple, but you can find this in the settings. So if you already have a plan and you might have started off on the basic plan, and you're like, man, the basic plan doesn't have what's the basic plan what doesn't the basic plan have, right? Let's say it doesn't have a professional logo. Like in professional logo, they'll help you build out a logo. You can get your own graphic designer to build your logo, or somebody from Digital REM, but I'm gonna just leave that there. But you can't accept you don't have cart recovery. You can't accept payments. That's a big one. You can't even accept payments on the basic. You can't accept payments. So essentially, like, your basic is gonna be like if you are just showing a portfolio or something like that. Very, very, very basic. Very basic. But if you are getting to the place where you're selling things, like you're making profit, you're doing good. And again, once you're making profit, like $34 isn't even a lot. It's really not. So with that being said, like, you want to go ahead and get the plus, and you'll have all of the payment options available to you. At minimum the standard, but more options available to you for your actual business. So you're upgrading from the basic and realize that you need to allow people to make payments. Well, you're going to have to update to the plus or the standard. So you want to go to settings, you want to go to manage plan, then it's going to say upgrade your site. And that's essentially how you upgrade your site on Wix through your actual dashboard. That's simple. Boom, so there it is. I showed you exactly how to manage your plan, your Wix plan, your hosting plan, on your website through your dashboard. So just go to settings, hit that manage plan. Just that simple. It's really, really, really simple. Sometimes I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I was fumbling around that subject, a couple years back. Like, man, how do I just get back to my plans? But again, that's a simple, quick way to do it by just going to your settings. So that being said, hopefully this was helpful for you. Hopefully this is one of those lessons that just probably answer the question more than anything, like, how do I do this? this is one of those things that kind of answered that question. So if it was helpful to you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel because you're going to get to see more videos just like this. But hit that like button so people who are looking like, man, how do I upgrade my plan? I don't know how to do it the quick way. So they'll have access to it through the algorithm. Like, hey, this is something you can use. So with that being said, hey, see you all in the next lesson. Later, y'all. Peace.